Hi guys, Future Jen here. Just wanted to come in and explain a little bit about what this video is. I received an email from Alex with iMethod a long time ago asking me to review the product. I picked the eyebrow stamp thinking that it would be so much fun for my daughter Ariana, who has no hair, to give it a shot. We did record the video, but then she ended up in and out of the hospital and at constant doctor's appointments for a very long time. So I am very far behind on getting this posted, but I said I would, and I'm gonna do it. And also, I want you guys to see how beautiful my daughter's smile is. She just makes my day. So yes, I apologize for the delay to you guys and to Alex at iMethod. I will post all the information down below. I did get on their website and make sure they are still offering this product, and they are. If you have any questions, as always, leave it down below and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Again, thank you to Alex at iMethod for your patience. I apologize sincerely for the delay, but my daughter is back home, she is healthy, she is stable, and we are working really hard to get back on track and honor all of the commitments that we made to our friends. So, thank you again to you guys and to Alex at iMethod, and enjoy the show. Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my daughter Ariana. Hi. Welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos with Jen. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning friend, thank you so much for coming back. We truly appreciate every single one of you. Well, I do, she doesn't. She's cranky. Girl, you're kicking my camera. Sorry. Here's the chaos. Ta-da! At least we got it out of the way right off the bat, right? Nailed it. Anyways, this is a new kind of video for us. This is one of our first PR videos. We have done other ones, but this is our first makeup product, I think. If I'm wrong, I apologize. We were contacted by Alex from iMethod Beauty, and he asked us if we'd like to try out any of their products. Well, we were watching Leanna Dalton on YouTube, and she did this really awesome eyebrow stamp. And clearly, Ariana is a little bit lackey in the hair department.
It's because I shaved. I wanted to make it good.
Yeah, well, yeah, we don't know what happened to her hair. It could be a whole lot of things, but it's the least of her worries at the moment. But anyways, she got to try an eyebrow stamp and a stencil set from iMethod Beauty. So I was like, oh my gosh, we have to get that. And then I checked my email the next day and Alex had reached out asking if I would like to try any of his products. Well, we do. And Alex was kind enough to send us our very own iMethod Beauty eyebrow stamp and stencil kit. We are super excited to give this a try. I'm going to put a link down below in the description if you guys want to go check these products out yourself. I did kind of look around a little bit. I know you can get the iMethod Beauty products on Amazon. The last time I looked, this was just under $17 on Amazon. If I can get you guys any kind of a discount, I will also link that down below. So make sure you go check it out. If you do get it, like always, I am so nosy. Let me know. Let me know what you think. Yeah, you laugh, but you know it's true. Anyways, if you do try these out, let me know what you think. And if you try any of the other products, because they do have some really fun products, let us know what you think, because we might have to invest in some of those. Right? Okay. So, eyebrow stamp. This is color number 7. And then here is the lot number, the expiration date, and it is good for 12 months once you've opened it.
It's not one of the things you can put in the freezer and it'll last.
Let's not put them in the freezer and say we did, okay? All right, so we've got 2 bags of stencils here. This is what the bag looks like. And it says, Magical Eyebrow Style. It does come with 2 eyebrow spoolies, which we will not be needing. And then here is the stamp itself. On the bottom it says number 7. Here is the packaging. And then when you open it, it does kind of have a whole spring effect. It's got a sponge on the top, and then there is where the color comes from. Here's how the eyebrow stencils come. They do have a little thing in the center that you can pop out. And there you go. Very cool. Well, I guess the style would be classic. It says classic right here at the top, if you guys can see that. So, I don't know. But anyways, all you do is pop them on the forehead right about there. And you stamp it on. Just kidding. Just kidding. We won't do that to Ariana.
You've done worse.
We could. Here, once you close your eyes and just trust the process. All right.
I've heard that a lot.
So what we're going to do is not do them backwards either, although I think that would be hilarious. I can see a little bit, turn your head, kiddo, a little bit of her brow, a little bit, but she literally has like, she's got very, very, very little hair. So she just washed her face, she did moisturize. So I'm going to try and follow the brow line, or the brow bone.
Can't do it.
Go ahead and look at me. Hold your brow still. Obviously, it's not for jokesters either, right? Okay. Serious business. Let's get it done. Okay, go ahead and look at the camera. So we're going to hold it in place like that. And then all you do is stamp. And it's very, very easy. Sometimes with the brow pencils, you kind of have to mess around a little bit and go back and forth. This you don't. It's very simple. You just stamp it on.
And it doesn't
Go ahead and look at me. Yeah, and it doesn't pull her.
Oh my god. I'm very interested.
Perhaps if she had her wig on, it would look a little bit different. But anyways, this is how we put them on. Let me do the other one, Nani.
I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
Same process. We're just going to put the cover over it and then tap, tap, tap. Okay, ready?
Hey guys.
Look at my girl with eyebrows. Fancy. Let me see. It's super easy to put on. I don't think they look that bad, Ariana. I think they look okay. And once we get your other makeup on, it's going to be awesome. So, very easy to put on. What do you think? Eyebrows are not meant to be twins. They're sisters. Stop making fun. I like it, guys. You know what?
Minor cousins.
Nobody's makeup is going to be perfect. And the point is to have fun and to be proud of yourself. So you think you can walk out of the house with confidence with those brows on?
With a hat on, yeah.
And a hat, see?
I mean,
we just haven't seen her with eyebrows in so long. It's really weird. See, I think it looks good. And I think once we get the eyeshadow on and the rest of the makeup, we're going to have a masterpiece.
It'd look better if I wore a wig too, because it would look more like...
Or maybe even one of your wraps. So, but anyways, it's a little shocking to look at, but I really don't think it looks that bad.
I can raise my eyebrows.
She has eyebrows to raise now. You can tell by her. Anyways, guys, let me get this makeup on her and we will be right back. All right, friends, here's our finished product. What do you think of my beautiful girl with her eyebrows? I told you they look a lot more normal once we got some eyeshadow on. Even though she did decide to go with some really bright colors, we went with some blues and greens and yellows and of course glitter, because Ariana's personality does not allow for anything that doesn't contain glitter. You love it?
I do.
Okay. All right. Good deal. So again, guys, this is called the iMethod Eyebrow Stamp and Stencil Set. I will link it down below if you want to go check it out. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, we would truly appreciate it. If you're not a member of our YouTube family and you think you can handle our kind of chaos, hit that subscribe button down below or click on the picture of me down in the corner and we will be instant YouTube family. And until next time, guys, keep smiling.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
That's right. Bye, guys.